Hi guys, good morning. Alright, so our video tutorial this morning is about how to use an external antenna of the Huawei router B310. Alright guys, let's get started. Okay, so right guys, so this is the Huawei B310 router. So like for example, if you want to use an external antenna on this router, see there are two antennas there. All right, two antenna, one and two, one and two, which means you can put two antennas on this router. Okay, so if you use an external antenna on this router, you need to enable also in the software program of the router, or else the external antenna will not function, guys. So okay, so suppose this pen is the external antenna. I put it here and the other external antenna is here. So after putting it there, those antennas, you go to the software section of the router. Okay, go here and change the settings of the antenna so that the external antenna will function. Okay, first type the IP address 192.168.8.1. So that is the default IP address of the Huawei B310. Okay, so hit enter. Alright, so next is you go settings. It will ask you again the username and password. So in my case is admin, and my password is admin 321. So that is my temporary password, guys. Alright, so here we are already inside the software of the Huawei B310. So next is go to settings, then go to antenna settings. Okay, antenna settings. Okay, you see guys, antenna settings. Okay, there is an illustration here, 1 2. So antenna 1 built-in, antenna 2 built-in. So right now it is set to the default O2. Okay, here when you click it, you can see here built-in O2, external antenna, and external antenna 1 and 2, which means if you install an external antenna, two antennas here, 1 and 2, so you select this one, external antenna 1 and 2, in order that the two external antennas will function. Alright, so just in case if you have only one antenna installed, you can also select this one, external antenna 1, or else if you will not change here, your external antenna might not function. Okay, so here we will enable external antenna 1 and 2 and then apply. Okay, so success, which means we already enable the external antenna 1 and 2. Alright guys, so that's how easy it is to enable the external antenna 1 and 2 if you are using external antenna on this router. Okay, that's the model of the router. Okay guys, so I hope you learned something today, and I hope you like this video. So if you like it, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to tick the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I upload new video related on this topic. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye guys. Bye bye bye.